guys, Anna, and welcome back to another video of mine, and today's video, which is going to be another DIY. So for today's video, it is going to be a baguette purse video. I've actually been wanting to make this for the longest time, and I don't know why I haven't made it earlier, because it's actually quite simple and easy, and it's a pretty easy zipper project. My relationship with zippers is very on and off. Yeah, it's definitely really simple, so let's just get started. So starting off with materials, what you'll be needing is some fabric, of course. I've got an outer fabric of what you're going to be seeing on the outside of the purse, and then also a lining fabric. I've got these templates, which you can either make the template yourself based off of the measurements that I have here, or you can actually download these. These are downloadable PDFs on my website, which will be in the description box below. Of course, just a pair of scissors, measuring tape, pins, and then of course a sewing machine, or you can hand sew it if you'd like. So starting off, just go ahead and grab the template pieces and cut them out onto your lining fabric and your outer fabric. So for the lining, you'll just need one of this, which will be basically on the fold. You do want a little bit of a seam allowance, about a ½ inch seam allowance around the actual template itself. But basically for the parts, you'll be needing one of these, two of like the front and the back for the purse, and then for the outside you basically need the same thing. So you have two, one for the front and one for the back, and one of the like side and bottom of the purse. And also you want the handle. So this is the handle, 3 inches by 20 inches, so 3 inches by 20 inches. And then I've also just got the zipper here, which the zipper, basically this is a bit long, but you just want it to be the length of your the top of your purse. And then you've also got these like little squares, be little finishers. So you'll need 4 little squares, and basically it's just to sandwich between the zippers so that it just gives it a nice finished professional look. So starting off with the outside, basically all you'll just need to do is line it up good side to good side. And I've also got little markings on the template so that you can mark it onto your fabric. So as you can see here, there's a little black dash mark, and then on the fabric, and then on the fabric there's also a little dash mark there. So you just want to line it up so that it's good side to good side, and then you just want to carefully sew a straight stitch all around to the top. That, and then once you've done that, you want to repeat and do the same thing with like the back of the purse. And then I'm just going to repeat the same thing with the lining piece. Alright, so basically this is what I've got. So you just go ahead and flip it inside out, and you've got the shell of your purse, which just looks like this. And then you've also got the lining. You've basically kind of got 2 purses. So next up is the straps. So you basically just want to fold it in and then fold it in half so all the raw edges are closed off. And then also, I like the look, you can leave it as is once you've sewed a straight line to close it off, but I kind of like the look of 2 straight lines, so you can do that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and attach the straps to the outside of the purse. So just go ahead and do 2 straight stitches. So just go ahead and do 2 straight stitches, one on one side of the purse and then one on the other side of the purse, so that when you flip it, it's like clean on both sides. Now that you've got basically something that looks like this, we're going to go on to the zipper. So as for the zipper, 4 little squares here. So basically with the 4 squares, just have the good side facing down, and then the good side also facing down on this side, and then sew a straight line so that when you flip it out, you've got a good clean zipper, and then you just do the same thing on the other side. Here's how it looks with one side of the zipper. And before you actually sew the zipper onto the other side, you also just want to tuck in the straps so that obviously they show up on the outside of the bag, and then just go ahead and sew a straight line to attach the other side of the zipper. So also, I forgot to mention, just make sure to have a little hole so that you can flip everything inside out afterwards, but you have the bad side of the lining and the bad side of the good side, and then just go ahead and pin it to the zipper like so, and then sew a straight line, and then do the same thing on the other side. Pin basically the good side of the lining to this side of the zipper, sew a straight line, and then once you've got that, just go ahead and grab that little hole and flip everything inside out. Here it is. This is how it looks, and I'm super happy about it and super excited. I think it's so cute. It's like the cutest little mini bag, and I'm so excited to make it in all sorts of fabrics, and it's just so simple and easy to make, and I'm super excited for you guys to try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments. And I feel like this is genuinely so pretty, so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share with family and friends. And if you actually don't want to make this yourself, you can also order it off of my Instagram page, and yeah, just send me a DM that you like one of these and I can make it for you. But yeah, so yeah, stay safe. Why did my voice crack? Ciao.